Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a full stack project with Django can be a rewarding experience, especially for beginners. This tutorial will guide you through creating a simple blog application where users can create, read, update, and delete CRUD blog posts. We will use Django for the backend and Django templates for the frontend. Prerequisites: 1. Python. Ensure you have Python installed, preferably 3.x. 2. Django. Install Django using pip. Bash. Pip install Django. 3. Basic knowledge, familiarity with Python and basic HTML. Step 1. Set up your Django project. 1. Create a Django project. Bash. django-admin startproject blog_project. cd blog_project. 2. Create a Django app. Bash. Python manage.py startapp blog. 3. Add the app to your project settings. Open blog_project/settings.py and add blog to the installed_apps list. Python. Installed_apps equals blog. Step 2. Set up the database. 1. Define the blog post model. Open blog/models.py and create a model for blog posts. Python. From django.db import models. Class post, models.model. Title equals models.charfield, max_length equals 200. Content equals models.text field. Created_at equals models.datetime field, auto_now_at equals true. def__str__, self. Return self.title. 2. Run migrations. Create the database table for the post model. Bash. Python manage.py make migrations. Python manage.py migrate. Step 3. Create views and templates. 1. Create CRUD views. Open blog/views.py and add the following views. Python. From django.shortcuts import render, redirect, get_object_or_404. From .models import post. From .forms import post form. Def post_list, request. Posts equals post.objects.all. Return render, request, blog/post_list.html, posts, posts. Def post_detail, request, pk. Post equals get_object_or_404, post, pk equals pk. Return render, request, blog/post_detail.html, post, post. Def post_create, request. If request.method equals post. Form equals post form, request.post. If form.is_valid. Form.save. Return redirect, post_list. Else. Form equals post form. Return render, request, blog/post_form.html, form, form. Def post_update, request, pk. Post equals get_object_or_404, post, pk equals pk. If request.method equals post. Form equals post form, request.post, instance equals post. If form.is_valid. Form.save. Return redirect, post_detail, pk equals post.pk. Else. Form equals post form, instance equals post. Return render, request, blog/post_form.html, form, form. Def post_delete, request, pk. Post equals get underscore object underscore or underscore 404, post, pk equals pk. If request dot method equals post. Post dot delete. Return redirect, post underscore list. Return render, request, blog slash post underscore confirm underscore delete dot html, post, post. To create a form for blog posts. Create a new file blog slash forms.py. Python. From Django import forms. From .models import post. Class post form, forms.model form. Class meta. Model equals post. Fields equals title, content. 3. Create templates. Create a folder blog slash templates slash blog and add the following HTML files. Post underscore list.html. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title blog post slash title. Slash head. Body. H1 blog post slash H1. A href equals %URL post underscore create %create new post slash a. ul. %for post in posts %li. A href equals %URL post underscore detail post dot pk post dot title slash a. A href equals %URL post underscore update post dot pk edit slash a. A href equals %URL post underscore delete post dot pk delete slash a. Slash li. And for slash ul. Slash body. Slash html. Post underscore detail dot html. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title post dot title slash title. Slash head. Body. H1 post dot title slash H1. P post dot content slash P. A href equals %URL post underscore update post dot pk edit slash a. A href equals %URL post underscore delete post dot pk delete slash a. A href equals %URL post underscore list back to list slash a. Slash body. Slash HTML. Post underscore form dot HTML. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title create slash update post slash title. Slash head. Body. H1 create slash update post slash H1. Form method equals post. %CSRF underscore token %. Form.as underscore p. Button type equals submit save slash button. Slash form. A href equals %URL post underscore list %cancel slash a. Slash body. Slash HTML. Post underscore confirm underscore delete dot HTML. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title delete post slash title. Slash head. Body. H1 delete post dot title, slash H1. Form method equals post. %CSRF underscore token %. Button type equals submit confirm slash button. Slash form. A href equals %URL post underscore list %cancel slash a. Slash body. Slash HTML. Step 4, set up URLs. 1. Create URL patterns. Open blog/urls.py, create the file if it doesn't exist, and add the following. Python. From django.urls import path. From .views import post underscore list, post underscore detail, post underscore create, post underscore update, post_delete. URL patterns equals path, post_list, name equals post_list. Path, post/int pk/, post_detail, name equals post_detail. Path, post/new/, post_create, name equals post_create. Path, post/int pk/edit/, post_update, name equals post_update. Path, post/int pk/delete/, post_delete, name equals post_delete. To include the app's URLs in the project, open blog_project/urls.py and include the blog URLs. Python. From django.contribution import admin. From django.urls import path, include URL patterns equals path, admin/ administration site.urls. Path, include, blog.urls. Step 5, run the server. 1. Run the development server. Bash. Python manage.py runs a var. 2. Access the application. Open your browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000/. You should see the list of blog posts and be able to create, view, update, and delete posts. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've built a simple full-stack blog application using Django. This tutorial covered setting up a Django project and app, creating models and views, using Django forms, setting up URLs and templates. Next steps: enhance the UI using CSS frameworks like Bootstrap. Add user authentication to manage posts by users. Implement pagination for the blog posts list. Explore using Django REST framework for building APIs. Feel free to customize and expand the application as you learn more about Django.